G'day, Elf on a Shelf here with day 8 of Advisors Digest's 12 Days of Christmas specials. And today, it's the big one, Complete Tax CPD. 40 hours of tax training over 10 months from February to November. A 3-hour masterclass each month, followed by a 1-hour tax update. 40 hours. On top of that, we'll throw in ethics as well. Okay, we also will give you our Accountants Becoming Leaders program. So all up, you can get 60 hours of CPD for the year. But for the next 24 hours only, finishing at 10 a.m. tomorrow, Sydney time, we've got some bonuses. We're going to give you our Living Away from Home Allowance webinar for February. We're going to give you the recording of Robin Jacobson presenting on all the new Tax Agent Services Act requirements for your accounting practice. And on top of that, we're also going to give you 12 months of practice advantages, do-it-yourself blog posts, 48 articles of blog posts. And I'll tell you what, we'll also throw in our Keep Cup. The skilled accountants aren't cheap, cheap accountants aren't skilled. Keep Cup, so that you can go and buy your coffee and sit it on your desk and keep reminding your clients that you're a skilled accountant. Want to find out more? Click on the button below. I look forward to seeing you in our Complete Tax CPD program. The one thing I can't give you is more chocolate, because I ate it all.